We're in the Liberties, the oldest part of Dublin, and this is the area where a lot of the old pipers and fiddle players and dancers lived. Families were responsible for passing on the music. I first heard the uilleann pipes being played by Betty Nevin just in the corner house here. She was a pupil of Leo Rosen, as were many of my neighbours. My sisters played music as well, and my mother was a piano player, so there was a good support for music at home. I'm delighted that the type of contribution I made of collecting and documenting musicians, my own community basically, is deemed important, and my own family, and particularly my grandkids, they're hyper about it, and it's going to be a great fun day. I'll just be telling them to enjoy themselves. The worst thing you can do is fall off the stage, and apart from that, to have a good time. I'll be thinking of the people who passed on the music to us, families again, the Brophies and Mrs. Harrington and John Egan and all the people, previous generations, who were so generous with their music, and they gave us great encouragement. So I'll be thinking of them and thanking them for passing it on to us.
Ó ard chahar a bhain go daon phoblacht Chorcaí. Gradam Comaoin, Mick O'Connor.
Tá Gradam Comaoin seo á bhronna Mick O'Connor.
Well, be Margaret. Again, usually, Comaoin TG4 is more than Nordum on Gradam seo a Glocka. Tommy Gagiri on Gradam a Glocka son culturally Gulair atá imahún a Comaoin Ceoil bio a rit amat a crua. But what will break us a goal, though should have run Gradam Orm, the TG4, August the Goctin a be part of some okay specialty show. I am honoured and humbled to receive this award, and I would like to accept it on behalf of all the musicians who went before us, who kept the music for us during tough times. And I'm delighted to witness during my time the explosion of interest in traditional music and song. It is in a very healthy state, and it's no longer confined to the back streets, but it's an integral part of Irish cultural life. Traditional musicians are more appreciated, and there's an awareness and respect for the uniqueness of our native music and song, and long may that continue. I would like to thank the people who selected me for this Gradam and everyone involved in TG4 on this whole production. A special word of thanks to my wife Anne, to my family and the Castle Cady Band, and all my musical friends who have enriched my life over the years. And one special item here on this occasion, I would like to think of and remember James Keane, who was recovering from surgery and cannot be here with us. But we wish James a speedy recovery. Go to me and Margaret Veris. Go Margaret.